I've never seen anything like this before. Hey guys, this is JoeTech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I want to thank all of my current subscribers and future subscribers for supporting JoeTechTips. We strive to give you the best content and the best information as possible, especially tech news on new stuff that comes out. So enough of that. Today we're going to be checking out an incredible LED light that's designed for the garden. Could light a pathway. It could be pretty much anything you want to use it for. It's just about 500 lumens. And I'm giving it the JoeTechTips Instant Awesome rating because it is unbelievably incredible. I've been testing this out for the last week and a half, putting it through its paces, and I'm telling you right now, it is incredible. This is a must-have light for anything. It just automatically turns on. So if you need something that needs to have something lit up all the time for the entire night, it's like a street lamp, except your own private one. And it's incredible. This is the light. And this is the solar panel for it. This is the solar panel. 6 watts, 6 volts, 1 amp. Unbelievable. And it looks like a real solar panel. It's got the traditional, it's got the nice aluminum frame. This is an incredible light. I'm telling you right now, folks, this is awesome. Like I said, just about 500 lumens. I tested it. There is a formula that you use to actually test it. There's a certain range that you have to go by. I did all of that. It does 490 lumens, just about 500. It comes with 2 remote controls, 2 stakes, and mounting hardware if you want to go to cement. When you got to do masonry. One is for the light, one is for the solar panel. These are made out of metal. Taking this thing apart, it has a 6,000 milliamp lithium ion pack on the inside. I like the fact that the range, I was blown away. Now, I did another short little video I want to show you right now.
We are quite far away from the light, and I could not believe that it could actually, the range is able to, look at that. Look how far away I am. That's at least 40 feet, just to let you know. And that's the light itself.
So it comes with 2 remote controls, of which you have from 3 hours to 8 hours. You can set the time. So at dusk, it'll go on for 3 hours, or at dusk, it'll go on for 4 hours, so on and so forth, up to 8 hours. You can also set the brightness between 30 and 100%. There are buttons, 30, 60, and 100, and then you can manually change the brightness on the remote control. I was very, very impressed. This is a must-have light. So guys, if you think this video deserves a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please share this as much as you can. Make sure you hit that bell for future notifications. And if you're not a Patreon, please become a patron. Anyway guys, take care, and we'll see you next time.